Good morning, children. Today we will start with chapter 4. Let us have lunch from your English literature book. So, let's start. So, everyone likes to eat yummy food? Yes? All like different types of fruits, like some of you like mango, others like banana, strawberries, and so on. Same for vegetables. All of you like to have different types of vegetables along with parathas and chapatis. And when mummy asks you what you would have for lunch break in school, then you all demand for your favorite food. Like some of you like to have pasta, noodles, poha, paratha with jam, jam with bread, bread butter, along with your favorite fruits, and so on. So everyone choice is different. In our lunch break, we share our lunch boxes or tiffins with our friends and enjoy with them in the break time. I think you all also do now. Everyone likes to enjoy in the break time. So today in this chapter, we will see some friends and what they like to have for lunch break in school. So now everyone just open your English literature book to page number 45. Now everyone will repeat after me. Chapter 4. Let us have lunch. Starter. Read out the names of these fruits and vegetables. Circle the ones that you like to eat. Now you can see the picture of some fruits and vegetables. Now what you are going to do, you are going to draw you can see the box there. You have to trace that box. Okay, you can draw a circle also, or you can just trace the box. What you like to have, like some of you like to have carrots, mango, cabbage, apples, orange. What you like to have, only those you are going to circle. Now we will start with the reading of the chapter. Now let us read the following passage. Ting, 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 ting. The school bells ring. It's time for lunch. The children wash their hands under the water taps. They spread out their napkins. They open their lunch boxes. Vani has rice and dal. Gurpreet has noodles. Aziz has parathas with butter. Ron has a sandwich. Vasu has muffins with jam. Deepti has lemon rice. Look at the fruits kept on the decks. Yummy, yummy. Turn the page. The children eat their lunch. Then they eat the fruits. They shut their lunch boxes. They fold their napkins. They keep the lunch boxes and the napkins in their bags. They wash their hands. The bell rings again. They go out to play in the playground. So children, this was your small passage. I hope you all understood. Now if I ask you what you have understood from this small passage or chapter, can you tell me? Number 1, that you should always wash your hands before and after eating. Number 2, you should always eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Number 3, avoid junk food like noodles, pasta, burger, pizza, etc. I know everyone like to have all these things, but you can have once in a month. Okay? I hope you all understood the chapter. Read, recall and revise. Thank you.